Good afternoon, y'all. It's Randy back with another video. We are heading to do some off-roading by Lake Pleasant, Arizona. I don't really know what trails we're doing. I think it's like some easier stuff. I'm meeting up with Kevin and Jennifer. They're gonna test out their rooftop tent on the rack. They got some new mounts and stuff for that. Make sure it doesn't fall off. But yeah, I'll be there in a second and then let you know what we're doing. Just wanted to give a little preview. Oh, Gladiator's still dirty from California, but I figured we're running a trail this weekend too, might as well just keep it dirty. I'll clean it here pretty soon. But we're gonna hit the trails here soon. I'm just waiting on everyone else. All aired down though. All right, got a few more people that joined in. We got Tenley in the orange Jeep and her boyfriend. And then I think he said Andrew. I'm so bad with names, sorry. He said Coast to Coast Adventures though, outdoor adventures. His Gladiator's also diesel, so that's pretty cool. Alright, some of these trails have kind of been washed out recently with all the rain. They said it's a little washed out up here, so I guess we'll see going downhill.
seat on line. A little bit of driver. Driver, slow, driver, driver. Driver, right, passenger. Then drop. Okay, driver, driver. Wait for it. Keep coming, hold that. Don't let go of it, hold it. Passenger. Driver, wait for it, and drop.
You.
Passenger. Passenger. Keep coming. Keep coming. Slow driver. 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 Driver, driver, driver. Driver, driver, driver. Driver, driver, driver. Alright, passenger. We're going to go down the first pole here. Drop it in, drop it in. And straight. Passenger. We're dropping, back there, dropping. Like that. Got it. Piece of cake. Scoot him in.
Jennifer, look at this. Look at that. That was pretty good. I always got, all right. I always love a good flex pick. But yeah, we're going under this tunnel now, under the highway, and gonna hit some different trails. Apparently this wash had like 5 feet of water or something in it a couple weeks ago when it was raining. Did it work?
Oh yeah. So you're driver's side. Slow. Okay. Passenger. And another little one. Come again?
You're not driving?
What?
You're not driving?
I drove the last one. Okay, Randy, you're gonna drop. You're clear. I'm doing React Media.
If you're wondering, that's the trail we're on, 47019.
I'm gonna pause here and bring the drone down.
You never know when you're gonna need to cross up some people. Gotta always stay ready.
Drop right about now, easy now. Perfect, okay. Okay.
Driver. Here you go.
Drive vehicle, 2.
I don't know. Well, I made it in 2 with that one.
Exactly. Could have been done with the record truck.
I slipped it, but I still made it.
So that first part we went down, that wasn't like that. We did much.
And all of that, you could only have 3 cars, 9 people per car. So you have to, 3 people will have to go to like dollhouse number 2 and stay there.
Check out that sunset, y'all. That's a nice sunset. And by the time Randy airs up, it's dark out. But yeah, that was a fun little day of, well, afternoon of wheeling. We wheeled for like 3 hours or something. So, pretty fun. Met some new people. Trails are pretty mellow, but it was getting late in the day, so we didn't really want to do anything crazy anyway. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.